What if you could make an extra $1,000 per month from a YouTube channel? Wouldn't that be sweet? When I started my YouTube channel in 2006, wow, that's 17 years ago, I would create web design tutorials to generate leads for my professional web design business. One lead or client that watched one of my design tutorials would often generate $5,000 depending on the complexity of their website. I stopped my web design business because I was trading time for money. Currently, I generate a full-time passive income from my YouTube channel by displaying AdSense ads, promoting affiliate products, online courses, offering coaching services, memberships, and doing brand deals. In this video, I'll show you what you need to make money on YouTube even if you're just starting out or have a small channel that's not monetized. Follow your passion. Think about what makes you excited to get up in the morning every day. If you build a channel around what you love to do, it will show in your videos. For example, one of my passions is to show people how they can grow an audience on YouTube so they can make more money with less effort. If you're passionate about fitness, don't try to cover all the topics related to fitness, but try to niche down to a specific topic. For example, your niche could be how to get fit after 40 or how to get in shape after pregnancy. When you narrow your niche, you'll be able to target a specific audience, and therefore it'll be easier to grow your channel. Set goals on how much you want to make each month. For example, if you want to make an extra $1,000 per month, you could do 2 brand deals at $500 each. If you offer coaching calls for $150 per call, you just need 7 calls to make over $1,000. Alternatively, you can bundle multiple services or products together. For example, I make money from my YouTube channel with AdSense ads, affiliate products, my own products and courses, coaching services, memberships, and brand deals and sponsorships. Monetization options. One of the easiest ways to make money on YouTube, particularly if you're just starting out or not a member of the YouTube Partner Program, is to promote affiliate products related to the content on your channel. For example, when somebody purchases TubeBuddy by clicking the link in the video description, I receive a commission from TubeBuddy. Over time, these affiliate commissions add up to thousands of dollars. The more affiliate products you promote on your channel, the more money you'll make. If you become an Amazon affiliate, you can promote almost any product on Amazon and receive a commission. If you want to receive 100% commissions, I highly recommend creating your own products. Here's a digital product I created on mastering YouTube Shorts. Here's the amount of income earned last week from digital entrepreneurs using Gumroad. It's a free online platform that includes a flexible page builder, and you can host your products there for free. It also processes your payments and provide analytics to help improve your products. All you have to do is open an account, add your product, and start selling. The more digital products you create, the more money you'll make. Keep in mind, if you want to make money by displaying ads on YouTube videos, you first need to become a YouTube partner and fulfill the eligibility requirements of 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past year or 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. Here's some other ways to make money with the YouTube Partner Program besides generating advertising revenue. YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, channel memberships, Super Chat and Super Stickers, and Super Thanks, where fans pay to get their message highlighted in your video or shorts comments section. To earn with fan funding and certain shopping features, you only need 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 valid public watch hours in the past year or 3 million valid public shorts views. You can apply by logging into YouTube Studio, then click on Earn. You'll get a pop-up message that says, start your earning journey earlier. Begin to earn sooner with access to fan funding and shopping features. As you grow, you'll unlock more benefits like ad revenue, sharing, and more. If you're not yet eligible, you can track your progress towards eligibility and sign up to get notified with an email so you can apply right now. Hit the subscribe button to be notified of more tips on how to make more money from a YouTube channel with less effort. Create quality content. The key to success on YouTube is to create content your audience loves so they keep coming back for more. If you're a small channel, come up with a list of topics that are related to each other so you can create a video series, then add them to a playlist. A simple way to come up with a list of related topics is to enter your main keyword in the YouTube search bar, and YouTube will provide a bunch of suggestions. If you want to quickly identify the top keywords in your niche so you can rank your videos at the top of the search results, I highly recommend the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer tool. Link is in the description. If you get an overall SEO score of very good or excellent, there's a high probability your video will rank number 1 on YouTube search, which will result in evergreen traffic and sales. Optimize for your audience. The main purpose of your content is to get viewers to click and watch your video, then keep coming back for more of your content. To do this, create clickable titles and thumbnails, because if nobody clicks and watches your video, you'll have wasted all that time creating content nobody will see. If you want to keep people watching your video all the way through, use a strong hook at the beginning of your video, like a question or bold statement, then include transitions, graphics, questions, and solid content to keep them watching. End your video with a strong call to action, such as watching a related video, signing up for your email list, or clicking on the link in the description that invites them to purchase your product. Be consistent. If you want to build a community on YouTube that keeps coming back for more of your content, you need to upload on a consistent basis. For example, I upload a new video every Tuesday on my channel, so viewers know when to expect new content from my channel. Audience engagement. YouTube is a social media platform, so viewers expect to engage with the creator of the content. Therefore, reply to comments and interact on the community tab. When you engage in conversations with your viewers, they'll get to know, like, and trust you and keep coming back for more of your content. Oftentimes, a viewer will ask a question in the comments that is the same question that many other people have on their minds. This provides a great opportunity to make a video that answers the question. One of the best ways to interact with your community is to add a poll to your community tab. I've discovered that community polls usually generate the most interaction from your viewers. Analyze video performance to improve. YouTube provides detailed analytics on your video's performance. For example, if you click on the Overview tab, you'll see how many views this video got since it was published. You'll also see the watch time, subscribers, and estimated revenue. If you scroll down, you'll see the key moments for audience retention, the intro, top moments, spikes, and dips. If you click on the Reach tab, you'll see how viewers find this video, YouTube search, external, direct or unknown, suggested videos. If you click on the Engagement tab, you'll be able to see the audience retention, the average view duration, average percentage viewed, key moments for audience retention, and you can view this graph on where people have begun to drop off and where more people are viewing the video. If you click on the Audience tab, you can see watch time from subscribers, age and gender, and top geographies. If you click on the Revenue tab, you can see how much revenue you generated from AdSense ads. Keep in mind, if you want to make money by displaying ads on your videos, you need to become a YouTube partner and fulfill the eligibility requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Since it takes a long time to meet those eligibility requirements, I highly recommend promoting affiliate products related to the content on your channel. Remember to have fun. If you're truly following your passion, you'll be excited to invest in the growth of your channel. This means researching new topics, creating quality content, optimizing your videos for your audience, promoting products and services, and analyzing the performance of your videos so you know what to improve on your next video. If you want to know how I make money on YouTube while sleeping, watch this video on the screen right now on how I earn more with less effort. You'll be glad you did.